Based on the message I received 2 days ago, I'm expected to make a video as regard the product I purchased on AliExpress. So here are my problems issue that I made complaint to, and I have 3 days to respond to this email. And the message here was sent 2 days ago. So that's why I'm making this presentation for the video. So the first one, let me quickly take you through my issue here. I have issue with the camera. I was told that the camera is 48 megapixels for the back, and what I'm seeing here is not up to 48 megapixels. It's not up to 48 megapixels. That's one of these things. What I'm seeing here is not up to 48 megapixels. It's only, let me just say, 5 megapixels that I'm seeing here from this. So you can see from here, the only place that is a camera is this one here, while all these ones are actually blocked. This is blocked, this is blocked, this is blocked, this is blocked, and this is the only port that is a camera here. And this is where I have the light to display here for the touch light. So from the phone, here, let me take you through the camera. Here I have a camera that I normally confirm. This is the HD camera I use to confirm whether my camera is up to this required megapixels. So I'll come to my photo settings, and here I'll come to my camera resolution. So as you can see here, from I have 0.31, 0.23 up to the down one here, 4.92. So this 4.92 is actually the maximum size of this back camera instead of 48 megapixels, and I'm having 4.92 as the size of the back camera. Same as also for the front camera too. I was told it's 13 megapixels and it's not up to 13 megapixels as claimed. This for the front camera, and it's not up to 13 megapixels as claimed by the seller. So come to my phone setting too. So as you can also see too, the maximum I have here is 3.15 megapixels. The maximum is 3.15 megapixels as for the front camera, and not 13 megapixels as claimed by the seller. So again, the next issue I have to make complaint to is the touchlight. The touchlight is actually low, very, very poor. Look at it, it's very, very poor. I cannot use the touchlight. It's very, very poor. Very poor camera, very poor touchlight, poor camera, poor touchlight, and this was not what I actually ordered for. And also for the battery too, the battery, if it is at this level currently, I can still use it and do whatever I want to use it. But the moment is around 50%. The moment is around 50%, the battery will be going down gradually. The moment is 50%, it will be going down gradually. And also, I observed this issue for the SD card when after making my complaint, because I also observed the issue for the SD card now. The SD card that was inserted here, I'm seeing 512, of which is only 8 gig. Even my memory card here is an 8 gig memory card, and even here is 8 gig. Why I say this 8 gig is because anything I put, I already have something about 4 gig plus, and if I decided to add any a kind of video or any other thing that is up to 4 gig here, or any document here, I will be seeing error that no space, it will not be able to contain because it's only 8 gig. So I use a software again to check this. My Xender, I actually use the Xender for my system, because this is one of the things that we normally use to check if the size of the system is actually as stated by any phone we are using. So as you can see here, the internal storage of the phone is writing 512 gig. Also my SD card is writing 512 gig, of which this is actually an 8 gig. memory card, and I'm also seeing 12 gig. So those are the complaints I have, and I'm really disappointed. I'm not happy with what I actually received from the seller. So with this, I believe my request will be granted and justice will be tempered for this. Thank you, and stay blessed and stay safe through the period of the coronavirus. Goodbye.